Today I'm going to show you how I restored some of the cloudiness on my Seibon Carbon hood, my Toyota GT86. I'm using the Meguiar Scratch X 2.0, it's about £10 on Amazon, I'll put a link in the description. And I'm also just using some cheap microfiber cloths and a cheap polishing head that I've got which attaches to a regular drill. So to start off, I want to make sure I don't get any of this stuff on the actual paintwork. So what I've done is I've masking taped all down the front fender. And I've also masked off a portion which I'm going to show before and after on. So I'm just going to start off with a small bit and work it in by hand. So that part of the bonnet took about 15 minutes, doing it by hand and with the little machine polishing head tool. It isn't quite perfect, but it's much better than it was before, so I definitely recommend having a go with the Meguiar stuff. One tip I have is to make sure you're looking at the carbon from different angles, just to make sure you haven't missed any of the patches. I hope this video has helped you out. Drop us a comment, let us know how you get on, and drop us a like and a subscribe. Cheers!